everyone, it's Scott here from the DTFF Volunteer Firefighter Podcast. We talked a lot about the Cleveland roll, so we thought we'd roll one for you and also show you how to deploy. So it's pretty simple. You're going to basically wrap the male end inside the loop, and then you're just gonna go back. It's best done on kind of smooth concrete, and you're just gonna keep doing loops like this. Have a partner there helping you out with the hose. The way we normally wrap them is just going to be 2 lengths, 1.5 inches, or 100 feet. The width is up to you, how it fits on your apparatus. So I just kind of chose an arbitrary length. It should fit, it should be able to fit and deploy inside a hallway, so that's one consideration to make when you're doing this. And as we keep going, you can see this keeps getting bigger, bigger. Partner keeps deploying it out. Once you kind of get into a rhythm, it actually loads pretty quick. And then we're basically done. So that's the general Cleveland roll. From here, what we do, we finish off the wrap and strap it down. You can see here, pushes in a little bit. There's an area for us to attach our nozzle so it would sit in. I could pull that back just a little bit, but it's actually sit in there. Makes it easy to carry. Yeah, that's the Cleveland roll. We'll show you how to deploy it in the next video.